So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Anupama here from Code, and today we are going to download and install Python IDE Pycharm. IDE is an integrated development environment which helps you become more productive, and it has a lot of features which make it productive. Some of the features make a lot of commands simplified into one button, and let's get more productive. So Anaconda, for example, Anaconda, and click the first link. So this professional edition has special support. We are going to download the free and open source version because it's free. Download it. Download it. It's starting and wait for it to download. And after it is downloaded, click on the setup and run it. I'm going to change my location. And choose a location and click next. Take these reference. Click next. And show it. And so after it is installed, launch it. So I have Pycharm configured this before. The Pycharm is customizable. You can choose your options, and so after that process is done, go to settings, plugins. So I have these plugins installed, and I recommend the Material Theme UI and add material icons. Yeah, that's it. So basically guys, it doesn't make you the plugins doesn't make you productive in coding, but it gives a nicer look to the Python interface and search the plugins material. As you can see, in the marketplace you can search these plugins and install them there. And in the beginning you get a long menu, and from the Material Theme UI I shortened it, so it's nice. At least it is for me. So I think you enjoyed this quick tutorial, and I hope I will join in my next video. Bye.